And if you desire God,
you
kill your flesh so
so
that your spirit can be released to see God. As long as you are at home in your flesh, you are not seeking God, because you cannot find Him in your flesh. You cannot find Him by your flesh. God is a spirit. Anyone who seeks God, they kill their flesh so that their spirit man can be released to pursue God. Whoever finds God, they find God in their spirit, by their spirit, because God is a spirit. As long as you are at home in your flesh, as long as you live to please your flesh, you will never find God. That's why today we are on our day 21.